We have a new event here on this reservation supporting the Canadians, our brothers and sisters in Canada. Even though they drew a line, that line does not pertain to us. We're all one. We're all Dakotas. We're all indigenous people. What I see here today is there's no blood quantum because we're all in a circle. We're one. We're one people again. There's no blood quantum. We're all even. We're all the same here. And I enjoy seeing that. What I experienced over the years, what we did, the purpose of it. And I come to my own conclusion that we're all one people. And today I enjoy participating with all my relatives here. My age now wasn't Tagoja Sapati. My grandchildren and great-grandchildren are here today. I appreciate that. In the Yamaka, Hochiki Yamashiki. Ask me to say a prayer. Pray the Dakota language. Amitakapi. The question of a contact got that you'll be effective there. Won't be a guinea chap. I thought was you to go as a kiwita. Dako not to honey chum and I get you the ball. Oh, I do not to gosh. The one got up the not to gosh. The Ota Inamakata was Kina. Ina wasn't there was no get to be that gosh. Chote Echo, but not to gosh. Chote that was no chunk. What the kiwita, but you go. Who should have petting that? Gosh, petting the Dako honey chum. Chojo, we Egyptian go kick see up. Because the Kahitana, Makasi don't know or Shaq Nipa. Who should have? How many talking to us?